So there's just something obviously qualitatively fundamentally different for humans once you have a large number of cells and sufficiently large brain type of thing. You can now talk to humans, and they can say things, they can produce things, but bacteria are not going to produce a spaceship, for example, but humans can. So I think there's something qualitatively different that also happens when there's a collection of humans. In fact, it's safe to say that a single human cannot make a spaceship. I could not make a spaceship by myself, but with a collection of humans, we can make spaceships. So there's something obviously qualitatively different about a collection of humans. In fact, it would be impossible for me to learn all of the areas of expertise. There wouldn't be enough time in one lifetime to even learn all the things before I was dead. So you really fundamentally have to have a collection of humans to make a rocket. Then I think there are probably some other qualitative scaling things that happen when you have groups of humans, and then if the quality of the interaction or the quality of the information flow is the better it is, the more the human collective will achieve. And like I said, I'm just curious about the nature of the universe, and I think it's safe to say, like, if we increase the scope and scale of consciousness, we're much more likely to understand the nature of the universe than if we reduce it.
Is that a bit like spirituality? A lot of people talk to me about spirituality.
Right.
I still don't know what it actually means. Like, I keep asking them, what do you mean?
Yeah. What do you mean? Yeah, I mean, a lot of people have spiritual feelings.
Right.
And I wouldn't try to deny that those spiritual feelings are real to them. But it doesn't entirely translate. I can't, just because somebody else has a spiritual feeling doesn't mean that I would have that spiritual feeling. I tend to be kind of physics pulled, which is like if something has predictive value, then I'll pay more attention to it than if it doesn't have predictive value.
Right.
So physics, I would say, is the study of that which has predictive value.